Want to see the list of people you've blocked on Snapchat? Here's how to find it. First, open Snapchat and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon or Bitmoji at the top left corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the settings icon at the top right. Now scroll down until you find the option called Blocked or Blocked Users. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll see a full list of all the accounts you've blocked on Snapchat. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap the X icon next to their username, then confirm by tapping Yes. That person will be unblocked instantly, and you'll be able to interact with them again. Quick note: once you unblock someone, you may need to add them again as a friend if you want to reconnect. And that's it. That's how to check your blocked list on Snapchat.